Plaza, where things are dry for now, but rain is moving in. And we've got a couple of rain chances this week with a pretty busy pattern. And so looking at the forecast, I mean, yeah, for now you've got dry conditions, but that's not going to last. We have showers on the way, perhaps even by later on this afternoon. Watching this evening for rain overnight. Tomorrow morning, still some showers lingering in Detroit, and this whole system heading east. So through Ohio and western Pennsylvania, here comes the rain into tomorrow morning, and then it heads to the northeast as we get through later tomorrow, then into Wednesday. But then look, behind it, there's another system coming on in. So again, a very active pattern. Showers back in Detroit by Wednesday. Yes, Hart Plaza, it gets wet again. We got showers out there again throughout much of the Tennessee Valley, Mid-Atlantic too, into your early Thursday morning, heading up to the northeast throughout the day on Thursday with rain continuing there. And then look at this, another system coming in, and this one coming in for the weekend. It may scoot just south of us here up around the Great Lakes, but we will see some shower chances through much of the Ohio Valley, south of there, down into parts of the Tennessee Valley. Like look at Nashville and points east, we could see 3 to 5 inches of rain, and that's accumulation, not necessarily all at once, but you have a couple of rain chances this week. Northeast, we get our rain too by the end of the week, and it does linger into the weekend. So this is a tough rainy week. The one thing about this, Alex, is it will at least keep those temperatures down a little bit, so we won't have a hot week. Yeah. So that had its sort of DNA traced back to Agatha.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is kind of wild to think about, right?
Right.
They're in the East Pacific, caused all sorts of issues there in Mexico, became a remnant, and the DNA of that mixed up to become Alex.
Yeah. All right, so here we go. Hurricane season is on. Also, summertime thunderstorm season is on. We have some right now actually affecting us across parts of Arkansas.
Yeah, indeed, and we've got more to come. This is going to be a bit of a stormy week here. Several disturbances kind of rolling on by, so just have that rain gear handy here over the next several days.
We got a busy jet stream, and so we'll get to that. Let me show you what we're dealing with to start your day, your Monday. Thunderstorms have been on the move all night long. Driving through the night, as some of you do, right, to beat the traffic. Well, these storms have done the same thing, moving out of Oklahoma and Kansas now into Missouri and Arkansas. This rain is going to be heavy at times. At the moment, we're not concerned about any severe weather here, but rain nonetheless will be a travel issue. Rain also a travel issue up here to the north in Wisconsin, northern Michigan, Chicago, and northern Illinois. That ride from Chicago to Peoria, you are in and out of the rain this morning. And then we go up here into Montana and North and South Dakota. A couple of showers here right now. There's actually a little bit of snow popping up on the radar. Look, that's way high up at elevation, but that does tell you what's happening in the atmosphere. We've got a jet stream digging down right there and bringing in some cooler temperatures along with the rain showers that you see from Montana into the Dakotas. So let's time things out for you with everything that we have to start your Monday. This rain across portions of Arkansas on the move by afternoon. Might get a little reinvigorated, so we'll keep an eye on thunderstorms that could develop approaching Memphis about lunchtime or so. Nashville, you may see some showers later this afternoon. We think here, maybe Paducah, Louisville by this evening, thunderstorms coming in. Nashville, better chance that we get into some thunderstorms and possible severe weather into this evening. This is about midnight, that forecast radar there. That all heads east. Detroit, we get showers overnight, rain moving through central Ohio, and then all the while, new thunderstorms will be developing across the Central Plains with possible severe weather. So we have the chance. I mean, with that system coming into Montana, there's some jet stream energy with it. That'll bring some storms, Rapid City to North Platte, also in western Kansas, and then here, possible severe weather in Tennessee and Kentucky. Now, Alex, we mentioned a busy week. What comes next? If you listen, you can always, get a sense of our theme without us even telling you. Now, on the radar right now, every other day kind of thing. We're taking you out to Hart Plaza here in Detroit, where, we've got dry conditions for now. Showers will be moving in, maybe a few rumbles of thunder, but honestly, it should be more just the rain variety here, just coming through by later on tonight and moving through in the morning hours. Rain on the move, too. We may see some thunderstorms from Ohio southward into Kentucky, then Tennessee. That'll be ongoing through the overnight. And then that moves into the northeast on Wednesday. So here's our, day off. This is Tuesday into Wednesday, early morning. Detroit, our day off. comes back in by the end of Wednesday. So here comes more rain, 5, 6 o'clock or so, showers back into the picture. So you can see how we're in this every other day kind of pattern as well. It's a busy week with a lot of fronts crossing the country, each of them bringing the rain chances by Thursday morning, that rain heading into the northeast. But then by Friday, we've got another front coming in. This one may drop a little south for us in Michigan, so maybe that cuts us out of the rain, but it's certainly not the case in Cincinnati and Louisville. So you've got some showers out there, and then we keep the shower chances actually on the increase in parts of the south where, you know, I do know that you need rainfall. So, you know, hopefully it doesn't cut into your plans because you need some rain for that grass and for your yards. We also, though, don't want to see too much rain at once. And that's the other concern, is that 3 to 5 inches are in the forecast. Now, it's not likely to fall all at once. We are going to be looking at multiple rounds of storms, that every other day thing going on here. And so that's really how we add up to 3 to 5 inches of rain across Tennessee and maybe into Kentucky as well. But keeping an eye on that potential for some heavy rainfall. New York City, we've got our rain chances coming in, starts midweek, continues into Thursday. And I will tell you, the weekend too, Alex, we're going to bring the rain back into the area.
Indeed, we
this afternoon.
Yeah, not just this afternoon, but the coming days. We really have just a number of disturbances, systems that are going to be moving across the nation to help to spark off some of these rain showers and storms.
All right, so let's get to it, because thunderstorms are with us this morning in Little Rock, Arkansas. You guys have been dealing with the rain all morning long. It's still here. We still have a little bit longer to go, although I'll tell you it's almost through. So this is the system that's coming east. You can see a bit of a broader kind of swirl to it. Now, this is not like, you know, we talk about rotating thunderstorms. That's not the swirl I'm talking about, but just broader circulation there. So that's the energy